Hi guys, rubber band powered Star. Bit of a lazy one this, I must admit. I made the car a few weeks back out of some coat hangers, and the Star was one of our old Christmas decorations that was going to be thrown out this year. So I thought I'd give it one more run before it goes. I did make a rubber band powered car out of it a few years back, so I'll put a link in the video description if I can find it. Different format. It was laying flat rather than up on edge like this, I think, from what I remember. Anyway, we'll just give it a run up and down the kitchen. That'll be a quickie today. All right, we'll run it this way first, and then we'll see if we can hit the camera with it. Okay, that works. Well, that worked. Quick summary. Car made out of coat hangers, CDs for wheels, BBQ skewers for the axles, 3D printed hubs for the wheels, and a Christmas star or a festive star that I've used before. All just hot glued together.